Good thing about flat noses.
Where does Johnny take you?
Yesterday we went on the interstate.
On the interstate?
I think that's where it was. There's a train, so just letting you know.
We'll go the opposite way. I won't be here with you Thursday. I gotta go to Huntsville. That guy's taking his test.
Oh.
I gotta come in and grab a bus and leave right away in the morning.
You're gonna take a bus in the morning?
Yeah, I gotta take a boy over to Johnny will be here with you. I gotta take a boy over to Huntsville and take his driving test.
Oh.
Yeah. But I'll be here Friday morning with you. That's why I was waiting to see if you were gonna work. If you weren't gonna work, I was gonna bag too. I was gonna stay home.
I'm gonna try to work as much as I can.
Huh?
I'm gonna try to work as much as I can.
I understand. Well, I left it up to you. Boy, that mirror was nice and clean.
Oh yeah. Big cleaner tomorrow.
You know, you don't drive a bus, so you won't notice it. There's a big difference between the Thomas mirrors and the mirrors on the Internationals. The Thomas mirrors, when you're backing up, you get a double image. You get like a ghost in your mirror. Makes it hard to back up, especially when the sun's out or late at night.
Oh.
But the International mirrors, you don't get that. A lot of the complaints they have about these because they can't back them up at nighttime. Because they get that ghost in the mirror.
Oh.
Yeah. It's just a cheaper made mirror. You know, the new one is okay. These are older ones with the older mirrors.
On the older buses, the little cross-view mirrors, it used to be two separate mirrors on each side. But it was a long time ago, and then they phased them out. Hey, I'm gonna sit towards the back because this bus has a side pipe, and it sounds good.
Yeah. I don't know when they replaced that, or if that was from stock factory. I don't know.
I'm gonna sit towards the back a little bit.